Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID and iCloud photos are active. This ensures the videos are accessible. Next, make sure your computer has ample free space and a stable network so transfers don't stall. Choose your path now: web download from iCloud, COM for selective files, iCloud for Windows for integrated sync, or use Finder/Photos on a Mac for direct import. Once chosen, sign in and open the corresponding app or site so you can locate the videos album and start selecting items to download. Now execute the transfer step by step. On a Mac, open Photos or Finder and select the videos, then choose Download Originals to save full resolution files. This preserves edits and metadata. On Windows, enable iCloud Photos, open File Explorer's iCloud Photos folder, and copy from Downloads to your local drive for a persistent copy. If using iCloud, COM, select multiple videos and hit Download. Large batches will be delivered as a zip archive you must extract. Finish by validating the files. Open a sample video to confirm quality, check timestamps and file sizes so you know the transfer succeeded. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check iCloud storage limits, quit and reopen the app, sign out and back in, or download fewer files at once. Often a smaller batch avoids timeouts. Once verified, move copies to an external drive or backup service and only then remove originals from iCloud or your device. This protects you against accidental loss and keeps originals intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.